Today I'll teach you how to use a resistance band, a simple fitness band, to wake up your core and connect it to your voice so you sound stronger, fuller and more powerful right away. So grab your band for me and give it a stretch. What are you feeling? What's going on in your body? Do you feel your core muscles kicking in, yeah, when you stretch it? That is basically exactly what we want when we sing. We want that physical support coming right from there, from your abdominal area, to help you sound stronger and more powerful. Now try it again for me. Try stretching this again and just notice how your support muscles, your oomph from right here is kicking in. The thing is, if your voice is sounding weak, chances are you're not using that oomph and that power from your abdominal area. It's also called a vocal support or breath support. You may have heard a million names for it. And the resistance band, stretching that resistance band, gives you an idea of how that oomph and that vocal support should work when you sing. Let's test something first. I would like you to sing "But I Set Fire to the Rain" phrase from the chorus of the famous Adele song, and notice how much of that oomph, of that vocal support you're using. Don't do the band, don't do anything, just sing, okay? So you've got "But I set fire to the rain." Lovely. What was happening here? If you didn't notice anything, try it again, okay? Try it a few times so you get an idea of how much oomph you're using right now. And it sounds all right, doesn't it? Yeah, it sounds okay. But could it be stronger though? Definitely. Now let's grab the band and I'd like you to watch me do it first. We're gonna gradually stretch it as we sing the phrase. I don't need you to do that, okay? No sudden moves, all right? Very, very gradually. So check this out. We've got "But I set fire to the rain." Did you hear that? That was much louder, wasn't it? That was much stronger. It was clearer as well because my vocal folds were coming together fully to create that powerful sound. Your core is now activated to give you that power and strength. Now what I don't need you to do is stretch too much, okay? Or do this, or tense your whole body. No, because that's not gonna help. That's actually gonna do the opposite. So we need to be really smart about this. We need to be stretching it gradually and not put too much tension into it. You don't want that. You just simply want to activate your vocal support. That's it. Let's try it in another song as well. So let's do "Wrecking Ball" by Miley Cyrus. I've also done both "Set Fire to the Rain" and "Wrecking Ball" lessons here on Sing It to the World, so go ahead and check them out. And you can then try these songs with the band, yeah? Any high notes where you need that extra oomph, you can do it with the band. So let's try "Wrecking Ball" chorus. Again, watch me first, okay? See how I work with the band first, and then try it with me. So we've got "I came in like a wrecking ball, I never hit so hard in love." Do you see that? That just gave me that strong sound, yeah? It gave me a sense of how much oomph, how much breath support I should be using. So give it a try. Give it a try in different songs. You don't have to use these songs in particular. This was just an example of how to use your resistance band to make you sound more powerful. Let's go for some FAQs. Is there a specific brand of resistance band I should use? No, any fitness resistance band will work. Just make sure it's not too tight, and that's very important. I already mentioned it earlier today. So mine says light on it, and that is perfect because you are not putting, like, you don't have to do that to stretch it because you just simply, it's just too tight for you to do so. It just has a little bit, yeah, it's light, but you still need to put a little bit of effort to stretch it so that your core activates and your oomph kicks in. Can I use a resistance band with vocal warm-ups? Absolutely. If you feel like your voice is lacking power or connection when you do your warm-ups, use the band to switch your oomph on. Let me give you an example. Let's take a really popular warm-up called Mia. Got it here and Sing It to the World, so go ahead and check it out after this video. So it goes like this. It's just a simple 5-note scale. You've got Mia, okay? And if it sounds a little bit breathy, or you just feel like it could be a bit louder, you could use the band to do so. Again, however, no sudden moves, yeah, only gradual. So you've got Mia, yeah, another one, Mia, and it just gives gives you an idea of how much oomph you should be using. Use it in your warm-ups, use it in your songs when you need a bit more connection, on a bit more oomph. Make sure that you're not overdoing it. Make sure that your band is the right strength, yeah, that it's not too tense for you. And that's when the band's gonna work for you, not against you. So next time your voice is sounding a bit weak or breathy, grab your resistance band, give it a stretch, and sing with the powerful and strong sound.